Meaning of inlet.
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 Inlet. An inlet refers to a narrow strip of water or passage that leads from a larger body of water to the land. It is commonly found in coastal areas, river systems, and estuaries. Inlets can be formed through natural erosion by waves and currents or as a result of human-made modifications. They can also be important habitats for various species of fish and other marine life. The presence of an inlet can impact the surrounding landscape, such as creating beaches or sandbars. Understanding the dynamics of inlets is important for coastal engineering and management.